Hold on.
Tell me when you're ready.
3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the Done For You girl. That's right, I do the work for you and help you make money online immediately. Today I'm inviting you to my live training. Now, come here. I'm gonna do something crazy. That's right, I'm crazy. This is my account balance of $92,000. That's right, 92K. What would you do with that type of money? Now, I'm going to show you something else. And this is people just like you that I helped that took action with this live training today that you're getting that got their first sale within less than 24 hours. You heard that right. Less than 24 hours, they were making money with my program. First sale, first sale, first sale, first sale, first sale. Everyone is making their first sales online with my Done For You program because I do it for you. Click the button below and join me right now. Let's go.